Alright, we got a tornado warning. It's coming. It's coming.
Tornado emergency for Custer City.
Yep, called it.
A tornado warning for northeastern Custer County in western Oklahoma until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 7:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A large tornado was observed 4 miles west of Custer City, moving east
Daisy.
miles an hour.
Squeaky.
Tornado emergency for Custer City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. Tornado has been confirmed by train spotters.
Daisy. Stop it, girl. Please and thank you.
Situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Thomas and Custer City. To repeat, an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
Okay, this is a tornado emergency now for Custer City. Everyone who lives in Custer City, take your immediate precautions now.
Keep an